The Pothos or the Epipremnum Aureum is native to Southeast Asia. It has the reputation of being one of the easiest houseplant to care of. Its common name, Pothos, comes from the genus it was once classified under, Pothos aureus. There are a few different cultivars of the Pothos you can look out for to adorn your home with, including the golden Pothos, which is known for its heart-shaped green leaves with variegation in yellow. The jade Pothos, which has dark green vibrant leaves, and the marble Pothos that bears green leaves with white variegation, is one of the most popular houseplants in 2022. In the wild, it is known to overgrow forest floors and tree trunks due to its aerial root system, which can be used to help it grow vertically in the home up a coir pole. In good indoor conditions, you can expect the Pothos to trail to 10 feet long and grow leaves that are 3 feet in length if trained to climb. The Pothos is particularly fitting for indoor settings because it is able to filter gaseous toxins like formaldehyde from the air. I want to share this to you guys. What I do really love about this devil's ivy or golden Pothos is that there is a fun fact about this plant. Pothos plants along with other aroids like philodendrons, monsteras, and sissy plants can be easily propagated in water. Let's go with the sunlight requirement. This plant thrives in bright indirect light but can tolerate medium to low indirect light, not suited for intense direct sun. Let's now go with the water requirement. Water this plant every 1 to 2 weeks, allowing soil to dry out between waterings. Expect to water more often in brighter light and less often in lower light. Let's go with humidity level. Don't sweat it, any humidity level will do for this devil's ivy or golden Pothos. Most houseplants prefer temperatures in the 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the range, or equivalent to 18 degrees Celsius to 30 degrees Celsius. It's best not to let it go below 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees Celsius. Let's go with the soil requirement. Use a well-draining potting mix. Mix in ingredients such as perlite or lava rocks to increase soil aeration as needed. This is probably the most popular houseplant. According to Feng Shui, the plant can bring wealth and prosperity to your home. It can purify the air and absorb radiation.